Surface mount edge-lit disc, 5-inch, from Lights by Lotus. Multi-purpose surface-mounted energy-efficient fixtures. Low profile with narrow flange for architectural appearance. Triac dimmable down to 10%, flicker-free. Fast and easy to install in J-Box. Save on labor. Wet location approved, suitable for indoor and outdoor installations. 5CCT color selectable, 2700, 3000, 3500, 4000, and 5000 Kelvin. 10 watt, 600 lumen with CRI 90+ for true color rendering. Model number ADS5R9 5CCT. Mounting hardware included. ETL and ENERGY STAR certified, 5-year warranty.